creating like a beautiful city like this in a minute. Check this out. Also, subscribe. Please help me out. I just want to hit the 100,000 mark. This is utterly ridiculous. I'm going to select all, delete, Shift A. I'm just going to add in a plane, and then let's scale it in edit mode by 100. And maybe a little bit more. It's going to be too big. And we'll see how that goes. Let's go subdivide. Right click, subdivide, subdivide, subdivide. One more. And then what I'm actually just going to do is I'm going to select parts of this, because I want this to be kind of like a bit more of the bigger city. I'm going to press P, separate by selection, just to make my life a little bit easier. Coming down into the Geo-Scatter add-on, let's select our emitter objects. I'm going to select this is the first one. We're going to come to Biome Scatter, open biomes. Then I'm going to jump into Greeble Town, Titan Core. So because we're doing the outside one first, I want smaller buildings. So let's go maybe bonus Sci-Fi 2. That's not big enough. Let's go tab into edit mode, select all, scale by 4. Now I'm going to select the middle bit. I want bigger buildings. So let's go Titan Core 1 and bring all those in. Marco, good try. Let's clear the object. Let's select the object again and go Titan Core 1. And so we can see that we've got kind of like these different areas. I know it's a little bit of a hot mess right now, but let's go into render, cycles, GPU. There we go. That one. 32, 128, because we can. Click on the world tab, press the yellow dot, press S for the new sky system, and let's go into render mode. And like that, we have created a pretty stunning city. And I mean, even if we really wanted to, we could go Control A, add in a bit of a cubaroonie, scale that puppy up. Marco, what are you doing now? Some of you will know. Into the shading tab, new, delete the principal BDSF, Shift A, search, scatter, volume scatter, put you into there. Density is going to be like 0.01, 0.001, and a for 0.25. Let's bring it down. Shift A, let's add in a camera. Control numpad, Control Alt numpad 0. Into the layout, select our camera. Let's just change the render distance to 5,000. And I'm just going to press F12. What is the worst that could happen? That is looking delicious. We can bring it down a little bit further. And because this is all set up nice, let's go sun elevation at 2. F12. That's looking delicious. Compositing. New, please. Let's go glare, fog glow. Put that into there. What we could do is Shift D on that one. Let's get image into there as well. But this one here, we're going to go high quality. And we'll put that one into there. You can see we've got a little bit of extra pizzazzle. From here, Shift A, mix. Sorry. Add. Here. Here. Great. And then one little thing that I love doing right now is adding the lens distortion into there, good sir. 0.05, 0.05, and fit. And then that gives us this look. Oh my goodness, F12, that puppy. Oh my. Look in the description for this stuff. Even at a different angle, F12, that is looking amazing. I didn't even texture the ground. Oh. Yeah, like and subscribe.